Hello, welcome back to another origami class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami rabbit. It's super simple, so let's get started. You will need one piece of square origami paper. If you do not have this, I'll leave a link in the description on how to turn A4 paper into square origami paper. So let's get on with the tutorial. First, if your paper is one-sided, like this, then you're going to turn to the blank side. Then you're going to turn it so it's like a diamond shape, and you're going to fold the bottom corner up to the top. Next, you're going to fold the left corner over to the right corner. Your paper should now look like this. Now unfold the flap. Next, you're going to fold a small portion of the bottom slightly upwards. Next, you're going to get this tip here and just pull it upwards like this, and then crease. So it's a diamond with a triangle sticking out. And do the same with the other side. Now you should have a diamond shape with two triangles sticking out. Next, you're going to turn over. Then get this flap here and fold it backwards so it's tucked in between the face and the ears. Your paper should now look like this. Next, you're going to get a pen and draw on a bunny face. You can do this however you want. My rabbit's all done and he's got a nice smiling face, and I'm really happy with him. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, and if you're feeling generous, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!